Hello and welcome to Wotic, your source for all things nerdy.
The other day I was contemplating to myself, thinking I need to upgrade my computer. Well, recently I upgraded my CPU, my RAM, my motherboard, my storage, my power supply, my CPU cooler, and a bit more bits and bobs. But there was one key part which I never did upgrade. Graphics card. I've been running the GTX 980 for about three or 4 years now. It's been a long time, it's been quite outdated for a while. I never did upgrade to the 10 series, didn't really feel that I had a need for it. But I've come to that point where I've had to upgrade, and I've had to bite the bullet and buy a new graphics card, which, as we all know, is the most expensive part of most systems, and it hurts to spend that kind of money. It is what it is. So over the last few years I've been running this monitor here. It's a 100Hz 30x40x1440p monitor, which is some serious pixelage, and it needs something to power it. My 980 hasn't really been working the last few years to really power it. To get near the hertz for that resolution, I've had to put that game quality down quite a bit. But no more will I have to sacrifice quality for pixels. Today I've got the RX 2070. So this is the RTX 2070 by Gigabyte. It's the Windforce edition, so that means tri-fans, so 3 fans, for quite optimal cooling, I must say. It cost me £480 including delivery. I got it from Scan UK. For some reason Amazon wasn't quite doing it with any decent deals for the graphics cards. Most of them were well over £500 if they were even in stock, but this was advertised for about £460, £470, around that price, I can't remember exactly. But still, why did I go with this graphics card instead of another? Well, the RTX 2070 suits my needs perfectly. If I went with the 2080, it'll be overkill for my resolution. I'm not running 4K resolution at the moment, so a 2070 will be perfect. A 1060 or a 1070 just wouldn't quite cut it. And the 1080 was a little bit more expensive than the 2070. Work that one out. You know, technology that's 2 years old. But from most benchmarks I've seen, this is just a little bit more stronger, and it's cheaper. And it's, you know, first hand, obviously. It's from Scan, so it's got decent warranty. I've ran quite a few benchmarks recently with my RTX, with my GTX 980. And I can see from the benchmarks, yeah, my gear just isn't cutting it anymore, so I've needed to upgrade and put this bad boy. Here we have the RTX 2070 by Gigabyte. It's the Windforce edition, so that means that it's a tri-fan GPU, meaning 3 fans. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. As always with Gigabyte, they have pretty good packaging compared to the other companies. Yep, classic Gigabyte branding. Open it up. Even more packaging. Right. Okay, inside, as you can see, is the graphics card. Also above it is a box. I guess this will contain the warranty and the drivers. So let's open it up. So inside we have the quick guide, which nobody ever uses, the drivers, the Gigabyte drivers for the RTX 2070, but we'll be using the GeForce Experience anyway, so we won't need this. I mean, who has a CD drive nowadays anyway? So is that? Yeah, that was it. A CD and a quick guide for this pretty big box. Yeah, seems a bit of a waste of cardboard. Save the planet and whatnot. Okay, let's open up inside. There you can see is the 2070 inside of its static wrapping. Let's take that. Pull that out of the wrapping. Chuck that aside. Okay, let's open it up. As you can see here, it's a 3-fan design, the tri-fans. Gigabyte's always got pretty good fans compared to the competition. Let's have a look at the ports. Okay, it's a bit dark there, but the ports are... leave it that way. Okay, you got a mini display port. Oh no, not mini display. So you got full display. So you got full display there. USB-C, another display port, HDMI port, and then another display port. So 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port, and 1 USB-C port. I believe that's for some sort of link technology. It's got a pretty nice backplate. I always prefer black backplates in my GPUs just because I'm less scared about holding it on the back. Okay, and here it is, the tri-fan design. So I'm going to be installing this into my computer and replace my 980. It's got that new GPU smell, the one we paid for. Okay, so I'm going to install it into my gaming computer, and then I'm going to post some benchmarks in comparison with the 980, because I know right now the 980 has this many users on Steam, and Tencent has this many users. So there's obviously a market for people that will be looking to upgrade compared to on the Steam market with the survey. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've just seen, please hit the like button. Or maybe you want to take that extra step and subscribe. That's completely up to you. Thank you for watching. Take care.